In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a card for Apple Pay without calling. If you want to add a card and get it verified quickly without picking up the phone, this walkthrough is for you. Start on your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. This is where you manage everything related to Apple Pay. On this screen, tap Add Card, then select Add Card to continue. You'll be asked what kind of card you're adding. Choose debit or credit card so the system knows how to set it up. Next, enter your card details. You can scan the card using your camera, which is fast and accurate, or you can type the information in manually if you prefer. Make sure your name, card number, expiration date, and security code match exactly what's on your card. Small mismatches can cause delays. If you're scanning, hold the card steady with good lighting so the edges are clearly visible. Now, let's verify the card without calling. Many banks let you confirm ownership using their mobile banking app, a text message code, or an email verification link. If you see the option to verify through your banking app, choose it and follow the prompts. This usually opens your bank's app so you can confirm the request with Face ID, Touch ID, or your app passcode. It's quick and doesn't require any phone calls. If you choose SMS, Apple will send a one-time code to the mobile number your bank has on file. Keep the wallet screen handy, check your messages, and enter the code exactly as shown. These codes expire, so do it promptly. If email verification is available, open your email on the same device, tap the link or copy the code provided, and return to the wallet screen to complete the process. Make sure you're using the correct inbox and avoid sharing codes with anyone. After you select a verification method and enter the code or confirm in your banking app, follow the on-screen prompts to complete verification. You might be asked to agree to your bank's terms or set the card as your default for Apple Pay. Once you see a confirmation message and the card appears in Wallet, you're all set. You can now use Apple Pay in stores, in apps, and online. If something doesn't go through right away, double check your internet connection and try the verification method again. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.